I was coming down 280, getting ready to go over to the Mississippi River, top the arch of the bridge, and there was a car that was already wrecked in my lane. So it was snowing, brakes weren't going to work. Quick thinking, I just had to veer off and hit the center barriers. That kind of stopped the truck, but the trailer still got the car, and got to the side of the road, and come to find out the lady wrecked hour or two before I even got there and went to the casino and was gambling instead of turning her wreck into the state police. She was coming back to get her ATM card because she ran out of money. Wiped out the whole left front, took out the axles on the right side of the trailer. I broke the steering wheel column with grabbing it and the force of hitting the K-barriers and just coming to a dead stop. My neck and back they're just on fire. You know, and then, like I said, after the adrenaline wearing off, then I started getting where I couldn't move. You know, it was bad. Just didn't know what was going to happen next. In my dealing with other attorneys, it was just a lot of hot air, and yeah, you always had that on the back of your mind. You had to worry about what was really happening. It was one of those people you see on TV that's looking for cases, not caring for cases. They're just worried about the dollar signs, and I mistakenly got with an attorney like that. You know, he left me hanging in a courtroom on one of the cases that we had to go to court about. He didn't even show up for my court date. Thank God the judge gave me time to find a different attorney, because like I said, I tried going out in the hallway and calling him and no answer, and then finally I got a message from him that he was going to withdraw. That was how I found out him not showing up to my court case. I'd known Jim from a long time. He'd represented me in court, like for tickets, speeding tickets and stuff. And I just went to him and said, hey, look, I need somebody I can trust. I'm in a world of crap. I just need somebody that, you know, I can count on. The thing I noticed the most was the amount, for lack of better words, the amount of care. You could tell Jim was interested and going to do his best, and he wasn't feeding me a line of BS like the other guy did. You know, it seemed like walking in the other guy's office, he was like a drama professor. He knew what to say and when to say it, where Jim was actually saying what was going to be done. There was no gray area, you know, where I didn't have to worry about, you know, what am I going to do? Am I going to walk into another blind spot again? It was just a lot more comforting. The stress level of insurance companies being able to mess with you isn't there. You don't have to worry about it. I mean, if something comes up, if it's not Jim, it's one of his staff will handle it. You know, it's just peaceful. I suggest you call Jim, because you don't have to worry about it. He's going to have your back, and you want to get somebody on your side ASAP. I don't care if it's minimal, maximum damage to you, your car, whatever it is. You want somebody you can count on. If you pick another attorney, you've made the wrong choice, pretty much. I don't know. Like I said, I'm biased, but it's because of the way he's handled things for me over the years. He's honest as heck, and you can count on him 100%. And he's going to do what he says he's going to do.